DJI just sued the FCC, and honestly, they might have a point. The government banned all future DJI drone sales without ever actually proving they're a security threat. Here's what happened. December 22nd, the FCC added DJI to its covered list, blocking authorization of any new models. But here's the kicker. Congress gave agencies a full year to audit DJI's security. DJI sent letters in March, June, and December asking to be reviewed. Nobody responded. Instead, some White House committee made a national security determination 2 days before the deadline. That's bureaucratic malpractice. Now, DJI controls 70% of the U.S. drone market. Over 80% of police departments use their gear. And pilots are panic buying existing inventory because, well, existing models are still legal. This isn't a retroactive ban. The lawsuit boils down to show us the evidence. The FCC can only restrict products that pose actual threats, but they've never identified what makes DJI dangerous. That's a pretty fundamental legal problem. This feels like security theater disguised as policy. Either prove the threat exists or admit this is just trade war politics.